What up? Iroquois Pliskiners. It's your boy Iroquois Pliskin here, and I'm here to do another video. Have you ever wanted to buy a microwave and then immediately been told to leave the place for some reason? Well, today we go in some normal clothes and we go and test about the stereotypical microwave dealer. And you're about to see, when I go to these three dealerships, what it's really like. Pliskin, we... Hey, how you doing?
What the? Who are you? Hang on a minute, how'd you get in here?
This is a microwave dealer, isn't it? You're open for business. It said
What do you
open.
mean a microwave bloody deal?
Can I buy a microwave?
Who on earth are you?
I'm here to buy a microwave today.
Why the hell are you in my house?
Well, that's not a really
No. Stop talking.
A microwave.
Dude, what are you doing in my house?
What are you talking about? This is a microwave dealership.
Dude, this is literally my house.
You need to tell me, why are you in my house? You know that this is a private residence.
No, it's not. The door was
My
unlocked
kitchen.
and there was a sign. It was even on Google Maps. It says this is an authorized microwave dealer.
There is
to
no
buy
sign.
I'm here to buy a microwave. It was unlocked and it's a dealership.
Doesn't
it says
mean that
open.
the door's
It
unlocked, you
says
should
there was
come
a
in.
sign up saying microwave dealer, hey, come buy.
Who are you?
I'm a simple customer here to buy a microwave today.
Now you're telling me microwave is another term for pot?
There's no sign at the front
Why
of
is
my
it
house.
so?
Unless you misread the for sale sign as a microwave for sale sign. Have you written all over the sign?
Hey, come by what?
A microwave.
Why would I
I'm
sell
here
you my
by
bloody microwave? It's the only microwave I've got.
Have you defaced my sign at the front of my
No,
house?
I haven't. I have not.
For starters, man, I don't even have a microwave.
No.
Look, I'm gonna have to call the police. You're in my house. I have no idea who.
But
No. Anyway, I don't think it's right that you just walk in here all dressed up like a weirdo.
I'm not. What? Because I'm wearing a t-shirt?
Not to mention, what the hell are you walking around looking like that?
Why are you making fun of me wearing a hat? If the door is unlocked and the sign says open, which it does, you can come in. I don't understand what you're talking about. This is a microwave dealership, clearly.
Dude, what the hell are you in my house for?
You did anything like that before.
I'm here to buy a microwave. I
You're wearing
don't.
your mum's dress.
Making fun of your hat, man. I'm making fun of your dress. Who wears a dress like you're
Why are you making fun of my shirt? Can you do a selfie with me? I want to do a
Yeah,
selfie
right,
with my lasagna. Do you reckon you can tell? Where are microwaves, mate? I want to test drive one.
I actually don't even own a microwave, and I'm.
The microwave dealership certified.
Microwave dealership certified. I'm on the dole, mate. I don't sell nothing. I steal it.
You probably get the good ones out back.
I don't have an outback. I have
Yes, you do. What is cooking the turkey, yo? Hashtag dreams.
I'm gonna have to ask you to leave because I don't know who you
I don't
are.
understand why you're asking me to leave. You see, I bet you, you're keeping the good ones out the back, aren't you?
Okay, explain yourself. I want to know why you're in this house, what you're doing here now.
I just
why I
explained
should call the
myself.
bloody police.
I'm sorry, mate, but I'm gonna have to call the police if you don't leave.
I don't understand why you're being hostile. I mean,
And then
they
you
said,
walked into my house, bloody mate, broke an entry. Your dogs didn't even stick on you or pee on your legs. I mean, come on,
Listen.
let the world down, you little shits.
you need a test drive.
No way.
You got the keys today.
I'm not selling you a microwave.
You got the keys for it?
Keys. Yep, mate, have I got a key for you?
You're just gonna take them later and hock them on eBay.
I'm sure you can go have a look out the back.
Yes.
And what do you want to cook in it? Crap or something?
Mine says
I don't care what Google says, and I don't care
It
what
wasn't Google,
you
it's
have
the
done
law.
to my for sale.
It says not for resale. Sale. But I'm just like, I'm not sure, mate. Like, I don't know how you stay afloat. I mean, like, I don't think this place has been around for, like, this business has been around for, like, 20 years. To work.
Well, like I said, I've been paying this off for the last 16 months through my Harvey Norman plan.
Wait.
I'm treating. You just walked into my house in my kitchen. You are a complete stranger off the street. By the sounds of it, you've even defaced private property by.
I'm gonna have to ask you to leave, my friend.
Look, I'm gonna give you a bad Yelp review, mate.
I'm okay with that. Come on, mate. Time to go.
Alright.
Time to go.
Look, mate, if you ain't got pounds for my microwave,
Whoa,
you're out.
whoa, I
You
don't
come none of your
consent.
bullshit.
I don't consent.
Come on.
Whoa! Consent.
Right. Well, I'm going to call the police because you need to get.
I can't believe you call the police. Now, I'm taking this mic.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'm taking
Who do
taking
you
it.
think you bloody are? Right, that's it. Come here.
Oh, I'm going. Bye.
Boy!
I'm
Boy.
purchased this microwave.
Boy!
Ah! Alright, so that's my experiences with microwave dealers. It's just so sad that today you just can't walk into a microwave dealer and just buy. I was a serious buyer. I was clearly serious. I had the money, but joke's on them. I bought a microwave, and yeah, and I gave them a bad Yelp review. So take that, microwave dealers, take that.
Come on, I'll show you my microwave. Come to the bedroom right now.